Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself look super tall on Dress to Impress. So you're going to go out here and you're going to take these heels, or was it the other one? Okay, it was this one, sorry. And color whatever color you want. Select this and select 7, and it's going to make you look super tall. As you can see, look at the height of the heel. And I know that looks tall already. Like if I stand next to like a person here, I look way taller. But if you want to make yourself extra tall, buy this pose pack. So go to this icon. If you don't have it, buy it here. It's in the Halloween pose pack. Go to the Halloween pose pack and then select tall. Make sure you're like holding an item. And as you can see, you get even taller than before. You're like almost as tall as this like archway, I don't know what it's called, over here. And if I stand next to a person, I'm way taller than them. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.